Hi everybody, your pal Donnie Dow here. Today I'm on Evansville's east side in the Lincoln Villa neighborhood. Oh, look at this Storybrooke home here. There's so many awesome houses here, built between the 30s and 40s. You've got Storybrooks, you've got bungalows like this one coming up. You've got Cape Cod Revival, you've got Georgian ranches, all kinds of homes here. Very well built, very well maintained. Something that's really interesting to me is I looked at some old ads from when these houses were first built and first being sold, and one of them was $33 a month to purchase it. Another one was $4,900. That's another thing too. Some of the prices are great because they'll be very specific, like $5,287.66. Seriously, like that was the advertised price, which is crazy to me. But we've certainly come a long way. I mean, these houses, you know, if they were $5,000 in 1941, for example, and they're now $225,000. I realize it's been 80 years, but that's quite an increase in value. You just look at this though. Look at the brickwork on this one. Just stunning. Just the craftsmanship that went into these homes is unreal. And the stone, it's just beautiful. And then next to it, you have this Bedford stone home. This one, I'd have to look it up, but I bet this one was made a little bit later, just judging by the architecture. It's a guess though, I don't know without looking it up, but it fits right in too. That's the other thing. The street is great because of there's such a diversity of homes that they all tend to blend in and look very natural here. Market is still really strong. It's been very busy. Lots of people. Oh look, we're getting their lawns taken care of. I love it. But yeah, it's been extremely busy. Houses are flying. If they are priced right and somewhat move-in ready, they're selling within a day, 2 days. Usually for list and over list price. So it's a great time, competitive time for buyers, so they have to be on their toes, be ready. That means being pre-approved. That means knowing exactly what your limits are, what your budget is, and then making a strategic plan to find the homes that fit within that range. Another awesome Bedford stone ranch here. And then, you know, next to it, you see this home with the columns coming up. Yeah, it's just so pretty. Just so nice the way they blend in, they complement one another, I should say. I think that's great. All the mature trees, everything else. Anyway, I know I'm kind of bouncing around a little bit on topics, but it's the way my brain's going today. I've got a lot of things to do, but I wanted to take a minute to take a walk with you guys watching. I've heard that some of you enjoy it, so I'm gonna keep doing it. Plus I need the exercise. But at any rate, let me know if I can help. You'll see that once you deal with Donnie, you'll see why they say the difference is Donnie. Thanks. See ya.